Hello and welcome to this video about Ethernet. In this video, we'll be discussing what Ethernet is, how it works, and some of its key features and benefits. So, first of all, what is Ethernet? Ethernet is a standard communication protocol that is used for connecting computers and other devices together in a local area network or LAN. It was first developed in the 1970s by Xerox and has since become one of the most widely used networking technologies in the world. Ethernet works by using a system of cables and connectors to transmit data packets between devices. These cables are typically made of copper or fiber optic material, and they use a variety of different connector types, including RJ45, BNC, and SC. One of the key features of Ethernet is its ability to support multiple speeds and bandwidths. Ethernet connections can range from 10 megabits per second all the way up to 100 gigabits per second, depending on the specific implementation and hardware used. This makes Ethernet a versatile and scalable technology that can be used in a wide range of applications, from home networks to enterprise data centers. Another important feature of Ethernet is its ability to support various network topologies, or physical layouts. These topologies include star, ring, and bus configurations, among others. Each topology has its own advantages and disadvantages, and the choice of topology will depend on the specific needs of the network. So, what are some of the benefits of using Ethernet? Well, first of all, Ethernet is a proven and reliable technology that has been around for decades. It's also a widely adopted standard, which means that it's easy to find compatible hardware and software. Additionally, Ethernet is relatively easy to install and configure, and it's generally less expensive than other networking technologies. In conclusion, Ethernet is a powerful and flexible networking technology that has been around for a long time and is used by millions of people every day. Whether you're setting up a small home network or a large enterprise data center, Ethernet is a great choice for your networking needs. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.